Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to develop a modern house in Blender. This is the Blender interface. You can observe on the screen. This is the software of the Blender. You can observe the cube here, and the one is the light, and one is the cube, and one is the camera. Now itself I am removing the light and camera. Then after, this is the cube with some of the dimensions you want to see here. You can observe on the x-axis 2 meter and the y-axis is 2 meter and the z-axis 2 meter. This is the default cube. After deleting this also, you can create the cube by pressing on the Shift A and go into the mesh and click on the cube. Different types of objects are available on the screen. You can observe on the add menu, and you can observe this is the cube. I want to place the x-axis and the y-axis. This is the cursor here. You can observe on the middle. Without disturbing this cursor, how to move this cube I will show you. For example, this is the cube. I want to move this cube and select the cube here now, and this is the object mode and the edit mode. I will explain the total tutorial with these two modes. One is the object mode and edit mode. I will show with the example also. This is the cube created. You can observe this is the cube. Select the cube here, then it is highlighted. You can observe on the screen and go into the object mode. We are on the object mode here, and go into the edit mode here. You can observe here in edit mode this tree type vertex and the edges and the faces. These three are important. I will show the features in next tutorials, and you can observe all the vertices are selected here. By clicking on the G key, it will move. You can observe. You can adjust the cube in any position by pressing on the x-axis X key, by pressing on the Y key, by pressing on the Z key. You can observe. You can change the position by using the control key. You can snap it on the exact to the cursor by using the control, by pressing on the G, then after X or Y or Z, then clicking on the control key, it can adjust. And go into the object mode again. You can observe the cube is there. You can also scale this. You can see the cursor is on the same position. If you are scaling by pressing on the S key, S is the shortcut for the scaling. You can also scale like this by using the scale key. This is the basic tools for on the object mode and edit mode, some of the tools. And I want to create the panel window here and create the one of the block. How to increase this? For example, you want to increase these dimensions of the cube and select the cube again. You can observe on the object mode only, and there I'm going to the item here. You can observe on the sidebar. You can observe the item in the dimensions where 2 meter is there. I want to increase the x-axis to, for example, 6 meter. You can observe I increase it to 6 meter here, and clicking on the Y direction, and I'm increasing the Y direction to 4 meter. The cursor is on the center only. You can observe. And Z is nothing but a height of the cube. I'm giving the 3 meter height. You can see like this. You can increase the cube dimensions here by using the scale. You can increase the scales. You can also give the rotation. You can also give the location. I will show the features in my next. You can observe one of the cube is created. You can observe. Next, you want to develop the windows. Next, this is the one of the view cube, and I want to go into the object mode to edit mode by selecting the cube and go into the edit mode here. After selecting the edit mode, here you can observe the vertex and the edge and the face. Select the face option and select this face and click on X key or delete key. You can observe after pressing the delete or X key, you can observe the faces here and click on the face. What are the you want to remove, that face will remove exactly on the cube. You can observe like this. You can create the shape of the cube. I can observe then after I want to create the panel window, for example window, I will show you. Before that, I will show by pressing on the Shift A key, by going to the object mode again and pressing on the Shift A. You can observe by add features. You can observe the mesh here. I add the RK mesh. You can observe the different types of room, door, rail windows, panel window, cabinet, shelves, column, stage, roof, different types of windows are available. You can observe some of the features in Blender only without adding any of the add-on. You can observe here go into the edit, go into the preferences. After go into the preferences, go into the add-ons and give the mesh here and select you can observe the add mesh argument. Select this and click on these 3, save and load, and save preferences. Then go on to the Shift A. You can observe the Archimesh is there. Like this you can add on the Archimesh. How to create the window here? For example, this is actually we are in the object mode, and again select the cube and go into the edit mode and select here. First we created the faces. Now I want to explain with the edge. Select the edge and select this edge. It is highlighted on the white color, you can observe, and you want to change this cursor to exact location to the edge. How to? By using the Shift S key, and you can observe the different types of selection to cursor, offset, different types of by using the shortcut keys 2, and I am selecting the Shift S and click on the cursor to select it. The cursor is exactly to the position to the center of the edge. Now what to do? Go into the Shift A and first go into the object mode and Shift A, go into the mesh, Archimesh, and give the panel window. See, after clicking on the panel window is created successfully, and you can increase the height with respect to the cube. Now how to increase this I will show you. You want to increase the dimensions or decrease the dimensions, and you want to distract the shape of this object. You can observe after creating this, create option is there, and select the create. On the Archimesh you can observe the create. On the window panel what we created, it is already selected. After selecting the window, you can observe that this is the 250 into 200 window, the dimension. Here you can observe the 3 glasses are there, 1, 2, 3. This is the first, second and third. One is large. Want to increase this, it will increase to the, want to increase the height, it will increases the height like this. Then after I want to go to the H count, I want to give to this to 4 numbers and click on the 4. You can also increase this, you can also increase the 4. I want the exact dimensions, we consider as it is 6 meter width. I want to increase the dimensions of this frame. First I am giving the frame to 130 And next one is I am giving to 150 for example, and next one is I am giving to 150, and next I am giving 130. The 4 edges it is created. You can observe this, the one glass is parallel to this and it is different from the first one. For to fix this 1 2 3 4, you can observe the here the 3 are there. Like this you can select the all tick marks to the all the objects. It will appear same without any difference. The glasses will create like this by clicking on this. I want to increase this height to 250, and it again I want to increase to 290 meter, and you can observe this is the exact dimension I created. You can also by clicking on the one is the view. By clicking on the 173 on the view modes, you can see this. By clicking on the 1 key and ticking on the Z option, you can observe the solid model, rendered model and material preview. This is on the solid. Go into the wireframe. You can see the it is correct or not. You can also move by using the G key, what I explained before, and clicking on the again Z and go into the solid. It is okay. Like this you can create. You want to see the inside of the halo. You can observe that this is the X-ray mode is there. The toggle the X-ray by clicking on the Alt Z. You can see the inside of the shape. You can also give the different types of previews are there. You can observe on the screen. One, and toggle the X-ray mode and go into the solid option. Like this you can create the one of the cube, one of the horizontal type of modern panel window is created. One of the cube is created in this. And next I want to go with the another on the first floor only. You can observe by selecting on the cube and go into the edit mode and select the edge. After select same process and select the edge and go into the shift S, cursor to selected, and go into the object mode and the shift A, clicking on the cube. I want to adjust this cube by pressing on the 1. After pressing on the 1, I'm going to the edit mode, clicking on G, and want to click on the X-axis. By using the control key, I'm adjusted to the exact position and go into the object mode and select the G and clicking on the Y. On the Z axis by using the control exactly the location you can observe. Is the cube same block of cube you can observe the what you created before, that is the same dimension. Then after increase the dimensions of the cube again. After that what to do, on the x-axis there, want to increase the y-axis whose position to, for example I am giving to 4 meter here, and next I want to create the to 3 meter on the x position. To give only 2 meter. Created only 2 meter here and the 4 meter, and the Z axis is kept as constant. I will increase later. I want to give this for to extrude. What to do I will show you. And after creating the cube and go into the Z and the wireframe and go into the 1. You want to extrude this, click on the edit mode and select the vertices here, and give the extrude option and give, this is the total height is already, this is 2 meter is there, I'm increasing this to 1 meter. Why this is I'm doing, you should understand. Next, see the full tutorial. You can observe the, I created this, and go into the edit mode and go into the again Z, go into the solid. You can create this by using the Control R also. By using the Control R key also, you can give the loops. Now in this I don't want the loop. I can observe cross loops, and you can observe the, I created like this. Again I want to extrude this. For example, extrude this by pressing on the 3 or 1 key, by using the 7 key and changing the views here. And I want to go into the again Z and the wireframe mode and select the these vertices and extrude it to this 4 meter again, so that you can observe this, and go into the Z mode and go into the solid. And again go into the Z and the 1, 3, select these vertices, and again I am increasing to extrude, for extrude E, and again on the x-axis, y-axis I am increasing to 4. Then go into the Z, go into the solid. You can observe why created this like this. For example, I don't want to remove these faces on the top, keep it as constant only. I want to remove these below faces, and after create the panel windows here, small panel windows I required. Then only I created like this option to fix. You can create either loops, or you can create by using the extrude, by using the G. By moving the objects, you can create like this, and go into the edit mode and go into the faces and select the face. These 2 faces I want to remove. Click on delete key or X key, click on the delete the faces here. You can increase the faces are deleted. I want like this. For example, I want to delete this face, you can also delete this face like this. Like this you can create the object. Now I want to create the again the panel window, same process, and select the cube by going to the object mode, cube, select the edit mode and select the edge. After selecting the edge, shift S, cursor to selected, and go into the shift A and go into the object mode, and the shift A, go into the mesh or key mesh and go into the panel window. This rotated. How to rotate this I will show you. This is the one of the basic, and you can observe this is on the position. Then after I want to rotate this by clicking on the R key, you can rotate this like this. You can does not rotate, you can observe. First go on to the Z on the wireframe mode and give the axis to the like this, and after selecting this, clicking on the R like this you can go, and after clicking on the Z, the rotation is possible. Then after clicking on the control for to trace the like this, it is created. And again go into the Z and go into the solid. After creating these on the exact height. You can observe it is on the exact height, and go into the create and give the dimensions. Give the exact dimensions to what I am giving to 130, and the next one is 110, and go into the 180. See, after increasing this, it is again rotated. You want to fix these windows, and below keep all the tick marks here, and the height is keep it as 190 only. You can observe the 190 only, and you want to rotate this again Z, and the wireframe mode 7 key, and clicking on the rotation R, and clicking on the Z key, by using the control fix this. See, on the solid mode it is fixing. If it is, you can see this is somewhat inside, somewhat is. How to fix this? And go into the solid. You can observe on the solid only, give the axis of, can observe the here some of the space is there. In the solid you can observe here the some of the space is there. How to adjust this I will show you. And select the window and give this to 135, and last one give it is to 135. Still there is a some of the giving to 140, and give this to 140. You want to adjust this by clicking on the G, the X position. You can give this, and again I want to give this again 7 key. You can adjust. It is okay to the exact. This is also somewhat to increase to 135, and again to 135, and the R Z control key. It is on the exact position. You want to move this window here only, you can adjust by using the G and the X. You can observe I am on the edit mode, for example G, Z. Like this you can adjust to here and there, and go into the again object mode. This window is created. You can observe, you can show on the X-ray, and go into the solid and material preview. You can observe this. Again I want to create the window here, and again select the cube and go into the solid mode, cube highlighted, and go into the edit mode and select the edge option, and select the edge, and shift S, cursor to selected. Cursor to selected, and go into the object mode, shift A, Archimesh, the panel window. Here the position is okay. Want to rotate. Then after select the panel window and give the exact dimensions what I am assigning to this. I am giving to this to 35, and the 110 35, like this, and give the tick marks to here to fix this windows. You can observe on exact position it is created. Again check on the by using the press the 7, it is cut or not. See, all the windows are perfect, and go into the view mode and select the view, and go into the object mode and go into the material preview. You can observe Like this you can create the by using the toggle the X-ray mode on the solid. You can observe this. You can increase the rotations and you can increase the height also by using this, and go into the solid mode again and toggle the X-ray, and you can observe this is created successfully. Like this you can create the by using the Archimesh features. You can create in Blender only without installing the add-ons. You can create by using the object mode and edit mode. Different types of modes are there in Blender. Blender is one of the open source software. Different types of texture paints and shading, animations and video editing is also possible in Blender software. Like this you can create the architectural renderings and architectural models, modern houses in Blender also. It works very good. You can observe the this is a panel window. Different types of panel window is created with different dimension. Here one is the panel window, and how to remove this, and how to give the loop, and how to extrude it, and how to increase the cube dimensions. I'll already explained in this tutorial. In next tutorial I want to create the top slab and the top floor. I want to create in next tutorial. See you in next tutorial.